System operation and maintenance. It is hasty to conclude that the information processing engineer's job is over when the system development has finished. Even after the system is completed, everyday management of the system and improvement work for the users of the system remains. This is called system operation. Normally, the system operation work is done by the Information Systems Department. The content of the work is as follows. Operation of the system. Management of system devices. Data management. Program management. Management and training of essential operations personnel. Network operation management. Safety measures and protection of secrecy. System costs management. System maintenance, maintenance of improvements. One. System maintenance and the maintenance of improvements. Let us study about system maintenance and the maintenance of improvements. Simply put, maintenance work is to change the system. Generally, there are the following three types of maintenance work. A. Repair maintenance work. When a user finds a bug, repair work is carried out. It is necessary to resolve the problem quickly, so this has the highest priority level. It is often said that these bugs tend to occur immediately after the system is operated. B. Modification maintenance work. This is done in relation to changes in the external environment, changes in tax calculation, changes in the name of the era, interest rate changes, etc. C. Improvement maintenance work. This work is carried out in relation to added processing requests from the users, requests for increased operability, requests for the addition of system functions, etc. Generally, this work requires the most effort. Two. Maintenance style. Further, to classify the forms of house software maintenance, we have the following. A. Scheduled maintenance. With the purpose of preventing failures, maintenance is carried out such as verification and exchanging parts irrespective of whether there is a malfunction or not. B. Preventive maintenance. This is maintenance that is carried out on a regular basis in order to prevent occurrences of malfunctions by grasping phenomena that are the symptoms of malfunction beforehand, and replace the affected parts, etc. C. On-site maintenance. This is maintenance that is carried out by transferring maintenance personnel to the installation site. D. Remote maintenance. Using a network environment, from a maintenance center in a location, remote from the site, monitor the system and hardware, and carry out the necessary maintenance. In recent years, the share of costs of maintenance during a system's life cycle generally increase with time. They are said to be from 40% to 80%. The content of maintenance work is said to be 80% modification improvement maintenance and about 20% repair maintenance. As you can see, maintenance work is an important work.